This tutorial explains how to use the mobile registration feature in the Access NJC mobile app. This is the iOS tutorial, but there is a link in the description for the Android tutorial. All I have to do is tap on Access NJC. Next, tap on Sign In. Use your S number and access password. Now that I'm signed in to Access, I'm going to tap on the 3-bar icon up in the top left corner. Next, I will tap on Register for Classes to search for my classes. A payment agreement screen might pop up. If this happens, swipe down to the bottom, then click on Agree. Now that I'm in Register for Classes, if I tap the magnifying glass down at the bottom, it'll open up Search for Classes. I'm going to tap to select the semester that I want to register for. Highlight the one you want to register, then select Done. Also, you see that I can refine my search. Tapping Refine Search opens up all possible courses that I can take through NJC. By highlighting or unhighlighting any of them, I can choose which type of courses I'm looking for. Then tap on Done. Under Search Criteria, I'll use the 3-letter prefix for the classes I'm looking to search. Types of prefixes are ENG for English, BIO for Biology, PED for Physical Education. I'll go over where you can find the 3-letter prefix later on in the video. Right now I'm going to search for Physical Education. Then tap Search. This will then give me a list of classes that are available to take at NJC. I'm going to tap on the arrow to the right of that class. By doing that, that gives me a description of the class. The open circle to the left, by tapping on that, that'll highlight that class. Down at the bottom, it shows Add to Cart. If I want to add multiple classes to that cart, just highlight any more that you want to take. I am now going to add those classes to my cart by tapping Add to Cart. Tap OK. If I want to see what classes I have in my cart, I'm going to tap on the cart icon down at the bottom. These are the 3 classes I have. If for any reason I want to delete one of these classes, I will swipe to the left over the name of that class. That will give me the delete option. Any class that I want to register for, I'm going to highlight the circle to the left of that class. Then tap on Register. Now I'm successfully registered in that class. Tap on Done. I'm going to go into Register down at the bottom to see all classes that I'm registered for. If any of these classes are classes that I do not want to take and wanted to drop them, I'm going to highlight the open circle to the left of that class. Then tap on Drop down at the bottom, tap on drop again. I am now successfully dropped from that class. Then I'm going to tap on done. Also, while I am registering for classes, I might get an error page. Some errors might consist of class is full, prerequisites for that class. You might also get errors for dropping classes because you have a hold on your account or you are past the deadline day to drop a class. Now I'm going to go over where to find out what type of holds I might have on my account, if any. I'm going to tap on the notifications. That'll pull up any holds that I might have, whether it be financial, academic, or athletic. If I do have any of these holds, like I said, go into the course descriptions and contact your academic advisor or call the student success number that's located in course descriptions. Now under class search tips, you can go ahead and contact your academic advisor or call the student success office. This also goes over course descriptions and the 3-letter prefix for the class you might be searching for. If you swipe up, you'll notice that this has all the types of classes that NJC provides. Go ahead and tap on chemistry. This will now show you the prefix for the class as well as the title of the class. Also, we'll go over a description of this class as well as if you need any prerequisites to take this class. Now, if you're having any technology issues, if you swipe up to the very bottom, this gives you the help desk information for iPad assistance, D2L, and online assistance, as well as the IT help desk. Thank you for your time.